Introducing the Canflex 10TD Volumetric Cup Filler, fully automatic vertical form fill seal packaging machine. Designed for reliable, high efficiency and cost-effective pouch packaging. This VFFS machine can produce center seal pouches from 20 mm to 140 mm width using film rolls between 75 mm and 300 mm with pouch lengths up to 200 mm. Equipped with a telescopically volume adjustable cups, the machine delivers granule filling with a capacity of up to 300 grams depending on product density. The Canflex 10TD machine can also be configured for powders and liquids with the appropriate filling attachments, making it suitable for multiple packaging applications. With a production speed of up to 50 pouches per minute depending upon your product. For precise operation, the machine includes photo mark eye synchronization for accurate film tracking and batch cutting for clean and uniform pouch separation. The system is also compatible with coding units and nitrogen flushing, allowing easy integration for product traceability and extended shelf life. Built for user-friendly operation, durability, and reliable production, the Canflex 10TD machine is an ideal solution for modern packaging requirements. Contact us to learn more about the Canflex 10TD and how it can support your packaging operations.